Attracting money, health, prosperity, and beautiful relationships using law of attraction is very easy. Learn the law of attraction step by step process in a simple way, which I explained in this video. Hey guys, this is Manchula. I'm a certified law of attraction coach, mind scientist, and a hypnotherapist. My mission is to help 1 million people to have a happy and abundant life. Okay, so what is law of attraction? So it is a law, whatever you think you're going to attract into your life. See, you're all knowingly or by unknowingly, we all manifesting. It could be, positive thoughts, it could be negative thoughts. You're all manifesting. You guys are saying that I don't want this problem, I don't want this problem. What is the message that you're giving to universe? If you are saying I don't want, yeah, you're going to get the problem. So that is the law of attraction. Without knowing, you guys are all implementing law of attraction in your life. But now what your job is to learn consciously what exactly you wanted to manifest in your life. So from the Hindu books, from the Hindu holy books, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has said that yat bhavam tad bhavate. Whatever you intend, it will manifest. Jesus in the Bible, he said that as you sow, so shall you reap. Buddha said that what you think, what you become. So what are you thinking? Are you thinking always about the complaints, or are you thinking always about the blessings that you are having in your life? What kind of thoughts you are putting in your mind? Imagine your mind is like a farming land. Whatever you sow, you are going to reap. Let's say the farming land you have, and you have the corn seeds, the sweet corn seeds, and you have some poisonous seeds. Let's say you are planting the corn seeds. What you are going to reap? You are going to reap the corn crop. And if you are planting a poisonous seed, you are going to reap the poisonous crop. The same way, your mind is like a farming land. If you are planting the positive thoughts, you are going to manifest the positive dreams and desires. But if you are always complaining about something, complaining about someone, and thinking always about the problems, about the difficulties, about the challenges that you have in your life, you are going to manifest so many problems in your life. Now deliberately think. Choose what you want. We all can create our own desired life by thinking right, by implementing right, by taking inspired action. It's not like, okay, you think and you forget about it. No, you have to take inspired action. There is a 3-step process to manifest your dreams and desires, which is ask, believe, receive. Let's say you are looking for a job, you need a job. How you going to place this order with the universe? First you need to understand what type of job you need. It could be software, hardware, or any job. Give the details as many as possible. Like in which company you want, or what type of company you want, what kind of salary you want, what are the facilities you need, a transport facility, food facility, what facilities you need. You just need to be very clear with what you want in life. This is the ask process. Let's say you went to the restaurant and you have the menu card with you. So you are giving to choose the order from the menu, and you are going to place the order with the waiter, right? You are choosing deliberately, like based on your taste, you are going to choose the items and you are placing an order with that. And you can't say some biryani or some roti. You have to specify which biryani you want. Otherwise, if you said, biryani, you might end up getting any chicken biryani. Let's say you wanted a veg biryani, and they can get the chicken biryani because you have not specified. The same way, you just need to, while you're applying for job, while you're, looking for a partner, while you're manifesting money, you have to be really, really specific so that, your manifestation process becomes much more clear, much more easier. This is ask process. And the belief, let's say you have placed an order with a waiter, and each and every second you won't be calling a waiter that, okay, where is my order, where is my order. You're not going to do that, because once you place the order, you know that you're going to receive. The same way, once you place the order with the universe, you're going to receive no matter what. Right? You have to chill. You have to chill in this process while you're manifesting it, because you have to trust the universe and receive. Once you place the order, you are meant to receive your order. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends and family members. And if you are ready to receive the abundance from the universe, type in the comment box that I'm ready to receive abundance in my life. And remember to subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell to get the latest updates from me. Thank you.